Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to check build number in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to check your build number in your Realme phone, so friends you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check build number in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting, means you will have to on your phone setting to check your phone build number. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So friends, you can see your about device setting. Friends, tap here. So after guys about device setting, friends, scroll it and guess you can see your version option. Friends, tap here and guess you can see your build number. And guys, you want to on guys your developer mode option, guys you can on from here guys. Your developer mode option will on from here 3 and 4 time guys. Tap here. Then guys you can on your developer mode option also guys. So like that guys, you can check your build number, and guys you want to on your developer mode option, you can on from here. So I hope friends you've understood how to on developer mode option. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.